Barley is the traditional crop here at the Arctic Circle. It has been grown for generations due to its adaptiveness to cool summer temperatures here in the Arctic conditions. Here at Pohjolan Pirtti we are very passionate about local food, history and Finnish traditions. When you visit us, we will gladly teach you how to bake our traditional barley flatbread with Grandma Pohjola's old recipe. These old walls were built in 1891 and they have seen tons of bread coming out of the oven. They also create a warm, Finnish, old-fashioned countryside atmosphere which you get to enjoy. The oldest known Finn also likes to visit us when he's not too busy at the toy factory or in his post office.